Welcome back to Lucha Libre Mechanic Productions. If you have an engine check light and a code P0441, 0443, 0444, or 0445, or been at a red light lately and stalled out, or refueled your gas tank and immediately shuts off right after startup, this is your issue right here. A purge valve, or canister purge valve, or EVAP purge valve, or evaporative EVAP purge valve, all meaning the same thing. That's what it looks like brand new, part number CX2695, and it sits right above the throttle body purge valve right there. How do you remove it? First, disconnect the negative terminal, place something in between to prevent accidental contact. Move back over here, the screen tab here, there's a little tab at the bottom, tab at the right. Squeeze them together, left and right, and slide it up. Then remove this hose right here, go to the connector, squeeze on top right here, and slide it out. Then you have these two bolts, 1 and 2, slide them out, replace with a new part, reconnect your terminal, and you're good to go.